Welcome friends. In this video tutorial, we will learn how to write DTD for our XML document. So we have already created one XML document. Now you already know how to write XML document. But in this example, we will learn how to write internal DTD. So to write internal DTD, you first have to write doc type tag. So write doc type. After writing doc type, write your root node. My root node is node, and then write opening square bracket. After opening the square bracket, you have to start various elements. First, I have to write my root element, which is node. So I am writing element, and then in root element I have to write sequence of all children element, and we must have to follow the sequence that is in document. So my first children is 2, and then write semicolon, and then second children is from, third is the heading, and last one is the body. So you must have to follow this sequence of writing children elements. Now complete this element tag and write element tag for children's. Now I am writing element for 2. After writing 2, which is the children element, you must have to specify data type of this element. I am giving PC data. We already studied about PC data in previous tutorial. Same way, I am defining for other children's, which is from PC data, and last is the body. Complete the all element tag, and finally at the end, when all elements are defined, you must have to close the square bracket and close the doc type tag. Save this document. Now our XML document contains DTD definition with doc type tag and our XML document. Now save this document with .xml extension, and let's run and see what is the effect. We can see document is displayed, which simply shows the data of our XML document. Similarly, we have seen in previous example, one addition to output is doc type tag, which display doc type and our node, which is the root element. So this is about DTD. DTD is mostly used for validation of data. Means when we want to specify type of our data, then DTD is used. So this is about internal DTD definition. Thank you.